Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pho soup. First, char one large onion and a 4-inch piece of ginger directly over an open flame until slightly blackened. Next, toast 2 star anise pods, 1 cinnamon stick, and 10 black peppercorns in a dry pan until fragrant, about 1 minute. Combine these aromatics with 2 pounds of roasted beef marrow bones in a large stock pot. Add 12 cups of cold water, bringing it to a gentle simmer, which is the crucial first step for your flavorful broth. After the initial simmer, maintain a very gentle, consistent heat, allowing the broth to cook for at least 3 to 4 hours. During this time, regularly skim any impurities that float to the top. This keeps your broth clear and clean tasting. About 30 minutes before finishing, stir in 1/4 cup of good quality fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of rock sugar, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Finally, strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all solids, leaving you with a wonderfully aromatic liquid. While your broth simmers, prepare the remaining elements. Choose flat rice noodles. For dried ones, soak them in hot water for 10 minutes, then boil for about 1 minute until tender. Drain and rinse thoroughly. For protein, thinly slice 10 ounces of raw beef sirloin against the grain, or shred 1/2 pound of cooked chicken breast. Arrange fresh garnishes like cilantro, Thai basil, mint leaves, and lime wedges on a platter. Also, have thinly sliced fresh chilies and bean sprouts ready. Now for the best part, assembling your delicious pho. Briefly blanch a portion of cooked rice noodles in boiling water for about 20 seconds, then place them into a large bowl. Neatly arrange your thinly sliced raw beef or cooked chicken over the noodles. Carefully ladle the piping hot broth over everything. The heat will perfectly cook the raw beef almost instantly. Serve your pho immediately, providing a generous side of fresh garnishes, a squeeze of lime, and a dash of sriracha or hoisin for a personalized touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.